Here is how to put a calendar side by side in Notion. So I have a bar over here which is blue in color, and I'm going to have to color it. Let's go with orange. Now press enter for a second bar, and this one I'm going to color blue. The reason I'm doing this is so that towards the end you can see the difference between the blue and the orange bar. Now you can select any one of these bars. I'm going to select the orange one, and I'm going to drag it till I see, drag it till I see the blue line on the side. Can you see on the left hand side of the blue bar, and release it. Now what happens is I get two bars side by side. Next step, of course, is your front slash, and I want calendar, so I'm going to go to calendar, create a calendar view, and I'm going to go to new database. Now I'm going to rename this calendar view as calendar 1, because the next thing I'm going to do at the bottom is I'm going to repeat the steps and bring up a second calendar. Again, new database, rename this, and I'm going to call this calendar 2. Now I have two calendars. All I need to do is take the 6 dots to the left hand side of calendar 1, click on it and drag it till this big blue line fits comfortably under the orange bar. And when I release it, I have calendar 1 fitting within the borders of the orange bar. So with calendar 2, what I will do is I will click on it and drag it so that the blue line now fits comfortably below the blue bar. Release, and I have calendar 1 and calendar 2 side by side.